It depends on where do you want to place. Like I would like this to be right in the center. Right there. Right, so you can use either fingers. I just have a piece of my paper towels. You will never go like wrong with this premiums I hold unless I doing upside down with a different side of the foil. I'm gonna hold it. Ah, great. So let's move to the next one. And then same thing. You can use your fingers as well, because I'm put gloves on. I can't feel it like much like when I have my own, you know, like fingers. Either ways work really good. Or if you have a little, I think the two is a rubber tool. It works too. Great. So let's go into this baby one. Can you see? A little bit. Okay. I love to hear the sound of it because it transfers really well. I can just like do one nails or like the rest of them, but I would like to do it like more than one nail just in case if you are just tuning in. Welcome to our live tutorial. Okay, so we're doing this last one. Oh yes, this foil is up, and if you search for it, you're doing a chamfer foil, but it's gonna be a premium iHo chamfer foil. The iHo chamfer foil we have two kinds. One is clear for 60 seconds, and one is clear for 30 seconds. I am using one clear for 30 seconds right now, just for your information. I mean the chamfer foil designs or. Oh, I gotcha. I'm so sorry. I didn't get to see the screen, so. Yes, so that's I using from this collection. I think is number 31. Yes, it's all up there, and then I can't wait tomorrow. We're gonna work on this one as well. So 32. So they're all different cool, different designs, and it's up there for you. All right, so I'm finished with all this. Like, so now here that I find out what last time we did the live video is same thing. It's really tip and tricks because if we don't do it, move the hands quick. What happened is this one is gonna kind of, you know, bleeding it out. So I am gonna do it, you know, another little bit quick way to doing it. It's gonna put really quick top coat. And I am only here for 30 second flash cure, because if we don't, it's gonna, the monomers will actually wipe up my designs really easy, but then top coat won't, but the monomers will bleaching it. Like I will show you the looks of the other hand, but good to know, because then you're not gonna do what I did, you know. Okay, so cure for 30 seconds. And it works great. It's not gonna affect anything with peeling off. Yes, 30 seconds. And then also is just flash clear for 30 seconds, and then you can go right back into with the powders, and it stay really well as well. It's not gonna have any issue at all. But then if we don't, then what happened is, can I get this hand? Is bleeding a little bit of my designs out. So avoiding that, we can put a quick top coat and clear, flash clear. You can't really see until you really like see it really closer. Okay, so that is great. So I'm gonna do is have my clear and my nude. I'm gonna do ombre now. So this is the cool tip and trick for beginners. I'm gonna pick just the smaller beads and work on my ombre first. Take advantage from it still really wet, and I'm gonna work on my ombre and get another beads and work on my cuticles. Just smaller. So that's what you don't have to worry about, is get like, you have to perfect your cuticles, and then you have to work on the ombre. I'm gonna do the same thing with these nails. There's so many different ways to do ombre. I think it just is, this is one of the way I like to share. And the gold design, I mean this foil design, Chatella. You go into the section, I believe it's chamfer foil design, and it should be right there. I think that one is number 31. And you can do with any colors, I was thinking. And I will using the clear coat later to coat them completely. Rosa, yes. We will do the class later once everything is back to regular schedule, sweetie. Please stay tuned for that. Thank you everyone for tuning in today. Hope everybody doing well and stay well, stay safe. I'm so excited. It's like a little bit, you know, like earlier when we didn't have the internet, the connection was really bad, but hey, we managed it, we got it. Try to avoiding touching the skin as much as possible. Do you wipe the back of the foil lightly with IPA? Not really, Tina. I didn't wipe anything with the, I mean, do you mean the right back before you chamfer the foil in? Tina, is that the taking this. Chantella, I'm using a Chisel Nail Art number 71, solid 71. Pick another beads. I using both of them, like all the nails today, using just 2 beads on smaller 2 beads. And if you feel like comfortable with doing the 2 beads, then you can start placing just once only. But for me, I think when you do it ombre is, you know, you can control it so much better with the smaller portions. And everybody work different way, I guess. It's either way it's work for me. For real, awesome. Is that cupcake? Which one is that? Live ads, can you send me the message for that? And I'm using a clear. Okay, so this is for Chantella's. It's right here, just for your information. I'm gonna close that one. And this nude work with a lot of different skin tones, and it's blending really nice. Solid 71. If you have something similar from a different brand, I think it works great as well. So now I am gonna pick the clear. Oh, I'm touching that, sorry. Here, move it right there. Pick up clear, and I'm gonna cover. Just turn my brushes sideways, because if the smaller fingers, you don't want the powders just running off the side. So just to it's always between when you dip back into the monomers, always wipe your brush, cleans it really nice before you're doing it, so then that way keep your brushes nice and just use the body of the brush, I mean the thickness parts of the bristles, and kind of trim the excess powders that you don't want. Great. And this one I don't need to be coating it, I just need to coat and cap where is the ombre part. Oh, Mika, so excited. You're gonna show off your nails. I'm excited, I can't wait to seeing it. Sorry, I moved too much. Great.